Hello and welcome to Insights with Thomas Caldwell on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. So Tom, last week President Trump said that he would put a 25% tariff on all Canadian goods if we did not address illegal immigration and fentanyl. How will this hurt Canada as a large number of our exports go to the United States?
Well, if you take President Trump and what he says, this could be devastating. However, the president does use tariffs as a negotiating tool. If you don't do this, I'm going to do that. I don't think it's a good practice to use tariffs as the way to bludgeon your counterparts, particularly Canada and even Mexico. He's not a friend of Canada, and he certainly does not like our prime minister, for good reason, by the way. But I do think one of the things that surprised me about all this was I didn't realize that there was a flood of illegal aliens going into the United States from Canada, nor was I aware of the fact that fentanyl was coming from Canada as well. This surprised me. We've not heard anything of this in Canada, so maybe it's true, maybe it's not. I know their guns have been coming this way to the border. That's what should have been stopped. But my sense is we'll be able to do a deal of some kind. Trudeau may not be able. We may have to wait for a new prime minister because they said President Trump takes stuff personally, and Trudeau's ridicule him at the G7 did not play well. And what was interesting, he went to Mar-a-Lago to discuss this, and everybody thought, isn't this great? But he wasn't allowed to stay at Mar-a-Lago. He had to stay at the Marriott. That usually big foreign leaders, they stay at Mar-a-Lago. So there's a chill here. I think we can work most of it out because some of it you can unravel. We have all kinds of treaties, the Auto Pact, we have the free trade agreement that he negotiated during his first term. Executive order can abrogate some of this, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's a lot of posturing. He's just a tough negotiator.
So are the stock markets now still performing as you thought that they would?
I have said on this telecast that we do for the last year and a half, I'm extremely optimistic in stock markets, and the market has been a very, very good year this year. I will say one qualifier. It's been such a good year that you may not have any selling for the rest of the year. We had a very good year in Urbana, which is one of the companies I run. We had tremendous gains, but I don't want to sell anything between now and year end because I've got so much in the way of gains coming. So I may push into next year. So that if I'm sort of part of a bigger group, which I think I am, it's been good. Almost all investment managers are up double digits this year. At least the indexes are up double digits. So you're not going to do your selling in until January. So you could see a dip in January. That having been said, I think that after that, we'll probably see a fairly reasonable market with declining interest rates, a strong economy, and we'll see how President Trump fits into the role. But I'm still optimistic with the caveat you're going to have maybe a weak early part of the year. But the past year has been an excellent year. We're all thinking we're smart again, so that's good.
Thanks for your insights, Tom.
Well, thank you. And also, this is, I think, our last telecast this year. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas or a Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. Just have a great holiday season. So God bless everybody.
Thank you. And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.